He looks at my mom with so much of love. The minute she comes in the room and she starts talking to him, all the attention is on my mom.
I love you.
He knows that he gets spoiled a lot with my mom. She gives him all the treats and all the nice things to eat.
It's a no.
My mom always wanted an African grey to keep her company. We decided to get her one. My mom used to cuddle with Zazu. She used to play with him and talk to him.
Give me the red one. Give me the red one.
Unfortunately, with her chemo, she can't touch him, but she can still love him from afar. So she talks to him.
I love you all, Mama.
And he loves sitting and listening to her voice. She played peekaboo with him.
Peekaboo.
That's where he learned most of these words from.
Feeling cold, Zazu? It is cold, it's raining. Oh.
He does know exactly what he's saying and what it means. When he says, you can actually feel it, that he's saying it from the bottom of his heart. He'll be talking and he'll start laughing, just burst out laughing.
I must go. Where must I go to, Zazu?
He knows he's the baby of the house and he knows how to take advantage of that.
Where are you going to?
He's biting into each one.
Let him do as he please. It's his stomach. He's hungry.
If he doesn't want to do something, then he will peck me. And he demands that attention as well. He's busy pecking my head now at the moment because he wants the attention. He just makes us smile.
What's that now, Zazu? I don't know.
It just brought too much of happiness to us.